it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today we heard something different. We're back in the UK, back in England. Long time we not fought back in England. Long time. We're here with Central C. I will. Central C. I will. Big up yourself, Central. You've been doing it, bro. You've been doing it for the UK music scene for a while now. So it's only right.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
I will. Guys.
Let's go! Let's go!
Back in the UK. Let's go.
You put on your best fit to the club tonight. You're trying to find someone to take you home and show you love. If nobody else will, then I will. If nobody will, I will. Your pussy shaved, you cleaned your bedroom just in case. And you ain't fucked in couple months. Tonight you're trying to misbehave. Is that how you feel?
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
Hold on. Wait a minute. We at there.
You put on your best fit to the club tonight. You're trying to.
Him just go straight tonight. Him not waste no time. Him say she put on her best fit. She titivate up. She look nice. Yeah. She put on her best clothes and she gone out to the club. Yeah. She look for love, not the club. Now go find the love. She go find the good in your pump. Oh, wait. Let's go. Ready?
You put on your best fit to the club tonight. You're trying to find someone to take you home and show you love. If nobody else will, then I will.
If nobody else not gonna take you home, I will. I will.
If nobody will, I will.
Yeah. All right then.
Your pussy shaved, you cleaned your bedroom just in case, and you ain't fucked in couple.
You what?
Your pussy shaved, you cleaned your bedroom just in case, and you.
You put on the shave, you put on the ball. Baby, you use near. You use near hair removal. Oh my gosh. She's titivating up. She's preparing for a good night. Let's go. All right then.
Your pussy shaved, you cleaned your bedroom just in case, and you ain't fucked in couple months. Tonight you're trying to misbehave. Is that how you feel?
A couple months, no, she not dogo. Couple months, well. So you know, say tone tight. The glimmeted, I like it. Let's go.
Bedroom just in case, and you ain't fucked in couple months. Tonight you're trying to misbehave. Is that how you feel?
Is that how you feel, baby?
Is that how you feel?
All right then.
Without sounding too perverted, close my eyes, I see you naked. Your looks come from your mama, daddy money, got that bracelet.
Without sounding too perverted, when me close the eyes, me see you naked. When you close the eyes, me see your golas. That's naked in Polish. Yeah. When you close your eyes, you know your birthday suit, nothing on. Without sounding too pervert. Me a pervert. Naked. Yeah. Yeah, pervert.
And too perverted, close my eyes, I see you naked. Your looks come.
Hold on. Headphone plug out. Hold on. Headphone plug out. Alright then.
Sounding too perverted, close my eyes, I see you naked. Your looks come from your mama, daddy money, got that bracelet. But you're acting bougie like it was you who fucking paid. Go and drop that bomb and watch that shit go up in flames. You make me feel young again, I don't wanna grow up. I don't even know I fucking till my dick don't go up.
She get the good look from her mother. It's in her mother G. The good look, that sexy look. She look sexy if you look on her. She look good. You look good, man. You look good.
Then bougie like it was you who fucking paid. Go and drop that bomb and watch that shit go up in flames. You make me feel young again. I don't wanna grow up. I don't even know I fucking till my dick don't go up. Moving your waist, we pick up the pace and make that shit go slower.
The floor. Hold on the sense, man. The floor, bro. The floor, bro.
Fit to the club tonight. You're trying to find someone to take you home and show you love. If nobody else will, then I will.
I will.
Nobody will, I will.
I will. Yes, mama.
Your pussy shaved, you cleaned your bedroom just in case, and you ain't fucked in couple months. Tonight you're trying to misbehave. Is that how you feel?
That's how you feel.
Is that how you feel?
That's how you feel. All right then.
Sounding too perverted, close my eyes, I see you naked. Your looks come from your mama, daddy money, got that bracelet.
Yeah.
But you're acting bougie like it was you who fucking paid. Go and drop that bomb and watch that shit go up in flames.
Yeah.
You make me feel young again. I don't wanna grow up. I don't even know I fucking till my dick don't go up.
Yeah.
Moving your waist, we pick up the pace and make that shit go slower. Just give me the date and pick a place and go pack the remote. We can go to fuck it if you fuck with this. Tick a couple countries off your bucket list.
We can go touring. We can go traveling. We can go anywhere you want, mama. Just pack your bag and come.
We can go to fuck it if you fuck with this. Tick a couple countries off your bucket list. I'll hold it down, you ain't gonna worry about no other bitches. Diving deep and you gon' feel it where your stomach is.
Mama, you have to worry about no other BITCH. Yes. You don't have to worry about them. Are you alone? Yeah. Where you see you feel it in your belly?
You ain't gonna worry about no other bitches. Diving deep and you gon' feel it where your stomach is. You put on your best fit to the club tonight. You're trying to find someone to take you home and show you love. If nobody else will, I will.
I will.
If nobody will, I will. Your pussy shaved, you cleaned your bedroom just in case. And you ain't fucked in couple months tonight. You're trying to misbehave. Is that how you feel? Is that how you feel?
This bad.
You didn't put on YSL just to go bed all by yourself. You got your coochie shaved just in case you find the right no.
You never put on YSL just to go bed by yourself. You never get your pum pum shaved just for... Alright, let's apart. Let's go.
On YSL just to go bed all by yourself. You got your coochie shaved just in case you find the right no. Said your body counts 12, but your pussy tight still. I'm mature, babe. In case you find the right no. Said your body counts 12, but your pussy tight still. I'm mature, babe. You know real, recognize real. You put on your heels and hit the club. I'm outside, I'm on your strip. You got hella options waiting on you, take your pick. If you fuck with someone else, you're not my girl, I won't be pissed. If I'm awake and I ain't taken, hit my line, I'll give you dick.
Sanji, ease up, ease out.
But your pussy tight still. I'm mature, babe. You know real, recognize real. You put on your heels and hit the club. I'm outside, I'm on your strip. You got hella options waiting on you, take your pick. If you fuck with someone else, you're not my girl, I won't be pissed. If I'm awake and I ain't taken, hit my line, I'll give you dick. If they won't,
Booty call, hit the line, I'll give you dick. That's what the G said, not me.
On your strip. You got hella options waiting on you, take your pick.
Yeah.
If you fuck with someone else, you're not my girl, I won't be pissed. If I'm awake and I ain't taken, hit my line, I'll give you dick.
If I'm awake and I ain't taken, hit my line and I'll give you some DICK. D-I-C-K, now your ass, girl.
With someone else, you're not my girl, I won't be pissed. If I'm awake and I ain't taken, hit my line, I'll give you dick. If they won't, I will. You give me the chance and I could change your title. Let me see you arch, let me...
Just give me the chance, mama. I'm gonna change your title. Arch your back. Arch your back.
I will. You give me the chance and I could change your title. Let me see you arch, let me break your spinal. Put you on the gram and make your page go viral.
Arch your back, mama. Arch your back, mama. Broke your spine. Put you on the gram and tag you. Make your page go viral. Cause you know say I are the one we can do that. That's what essentially saying, not me.
See you arch, let me break your spinal. Put you on the gram and make your page go viral. Alright. You put on your best fit to the club tonight. You're trying to find someone to take you home and show you love. If nobody else will, I will. If nobody will, I will.
Yeah.
Your pussy shaved, you cleaned your bedroom just in case. And you ain't fucked in couple months tonight. You're trying to misbehave. Is that how you feel? Is that how you feel?
One cent. One central. Big up yourself, G. Yo, a long time I don't react to a song in the UK. There's a couple where I definitely need to touch and react to. Is in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section which one I need to react to. You see me? But Central C never fail if it bring the heat, bro. Like Central is that guy, like, you know. This is different from Central. This is fresh. This is fresh from Central. Like the flow are different. The rhythm choice, the way I rap different. I like it. I'ma show you him versatility. Yeah. If nobody else will, I will. I definitely will. Sense, pick up your friggin' self. Pick up the UK. England! Ayo! Guys, I'll leave you guys in. I'll leave you guys in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys will make my ultra rascal, man, idea. I will.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.